Good morning everybody, how are you guys today? Today is day 1 of Belfast Fashion Week, so I thought I would do a bit of a get ready with me for Fashion Week video for you guys, because I've never done one of these get ready with me videos before, and I thought Fashion Week was just the perfect kind of event to do it for, because you do get quite dressed up and have your makeup done nice and your hair. And today I have got a hair appointment at Zuni Hairdressers to go and get my hair styled to go with my dress, because it's quite a cool like standout dress. I wanted something just a bit more special for it really, so I thought I'd just take you guys along with me and show you how I'm gonna get my makeup done, etc. I'll bring you guys along the way as I'm getting ready. As you can see from the patchiness slightly, I did my fake tan last night in preparation for the event, and yeah, so I'm a nice bronzy colour ready for tonight. I am wearing a white dress, so it was absolutely essential that I fake tanned, because otherwise it would just be like white on white, and that's not a good look for me. It's not a good one. But yeah, come with me to get ready, and I'll take you along to Fashion Week too. Hey everyone, so I've just arrived at Zuni Hairdresser with the lovely Corey to get my hair styled for tonight's show, and I think we're going to go for something that's going to be sort of fairly like loose and a little bit messy, just to really show off that amazing Unported dress, which is a complete statement dress. So yeah, I can't wait to see how my hair turns out, and I'll show you guys after. Doing my hair, and I'm just absolutely loving it. I've never had a style with this much volume and this sass before, and I just think it's gonna look so nice with my dress. And yeah, I'm just absolutely loving this little updo. I think she's done an amazing job. So I am just gonna start to get on with my makeup ready for tonight's fashion show. So I just thought I'd let you guys have a little watch what I'm doing, have a bit of a chat in between, and yeah, just get ready for the show. I've got a wee sample of the Armani's primer, which goes with the luminous silk foundation. So I'm gonna put that on tonight because it's Fashion Week and I'm only gonna use the best stuff, you know? I'm not in any way good at makeup, so don't use this video if you want tips about makeup. I'm just guessing and I'm just winging it. So I'm going in with the Collection Last Imperfection concealer. This concealer is the one that just everybody used to talk about, and it's a bit of a cult favorite. It is really good, but I tend to put the darker one on first to like really hide the dark circles, and then I'll go over the top of my foundation with like a lighter, more like illuminating one, just to highlight, you know. And there we go, a little bit less dead. I actually have the Armani luminous silk foundation in a 7.5, and just pop that all over my face. I do like this foundation. It is expensive. I think it's like £40, which I would never ever spend on a foundation, but it is better than most of the others that I've ever tried. I was saving this for a special occasion as well, so I was like, yeah, Fashion Week will only use the best foundation. Next, I'm gonna grab my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I go like this to get it off because it's not very easy to get out. And I'm just going to pop that over my lids, and that is going to hold on to the nice colourful pigment of my eyeshadow, keep everything in place, stop it from creasing. Wouldn't that be nice? My favourite palette of all the palettes ever, and it is this Be Perfect one. Obviously you'll see from the State of Mind which are my most used colours, but I would say I generally stick to these ones. I don't really use that middle brown. And I do like the red and the pink there as well. I don't use the black very often. I never ever see other people doing this, but I always do my highlight colour over my eyebrows and my eyelids first, and then I go into the crease, just because whenever I do it the other way around, I feel like I never get much of a shimmer or highlight across my brow after. This is just how I decide to do it, and this might be totally against how all makeup artists would like to do your makeup, but it's just what works for me, to be honest. Nobody's really taught me. I mean, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos on eyeshadow, and to be honest, it's just not really my forte. I just have to make it up as I go along. I think I'm gonna go in with some of these just slightly lighter oranges tonight. I don't really want too much color because I'm gonna do a bright red lip. So I'm gonna go in with the color Marbs, and then probably in with Tiger. What is this? A MAC 217. 217 is actually my lucky number. Oh, I love it when that happens. So yeah, I just kind of go in and make a few wee circles and just kind of blend, 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 blend. And to be honest, you might all see this finished makeup look and be like, God, I know what you were doing. I just kind of start on the outside and then like swirl it in along the crease, you know? So that's that. And now I'm gonna go in with the slightly darker one. Again, like, this is probably not how it's meant to be done at all. And just try and define the crease a little bit more. Next, I'm gonna go in with these two colors here. So it's Loyal and Rusty. And I'm gonna go over the lid with those and blend it all together. And I'll go in with Rusty first. And I just go blend, 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 blend. And then I'm gonna get this color here and put that in the corners and just kind of fade it out. Oh yeah.
I'm in trouble, black carpet, I see trouble. Man, 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 I'm not gonna get home. Black carpet, I'm so dizzy. Black carpet, please get busy. Oh, 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 nothing to get home. Black carpet, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Man, 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 I'm not gonna get home.